Hey there, welcome back friends. Today we will talk about JSTL. JSTL stands for JSP Standard Tag Library, and these are nothing but set of libraries which are available to us. Now definitely JSTL is a recommended set of tags which should be used in place of scriptlet, expression element and things like that. In fact, in your JSP page, in your view files, it is always recommended to skip making use of any business logic related things, and it is recommended to make use of JSTL tags rather than JSP elements. Alright, now moving forward, let us quickly check this article by oracle.com. If you simply Google for JSTL, you will get this article from oracle.com. Now, if you check this tutorial, this web page, then definitely we can see JSTL tags can be categorized into 5 major categories. Now these categories are core XML, I18N or internationalization, in other words, database and functions. Now friends, in this section where we will discuss the JSTL tags, we will definitely cover all of these 5 categories except the database category. Now why we will skip on database category? The reason is very simple. It is not at all recommended to make use of SQL related tags on the view file. So we will not only skip the SQL related tags, rather we will not at all recommend you guys as well to use the SQL related tags into the view files. Alright, now moving forward, let us quickly download the jar file and integrate the jar file into our Eclipse project. Now in order to download JSTL, simply Google for JSTL download and you will get a search result from mvnrepository.com. Click on the search result, which is first in my case, and if we check in here, we would be able to see the jar file. Here is the link, let us click on it and we would be able to download it. Now apart from this jar file, there are provided dependencies. One of the dependency is JSP API, which is already available to us inside our Apache Tomcat installation directory. So we will integrate it in our project as well. Alright, so we have the jar file downloaded with us. Let me show you. Now friends, the current version of JSTL tag library is version 1.2, and in our case we will definitely make use of the latest version 1.2. Let me move this file to the desktop. Alright, let me minimize this and let me maximize Eclipse. Now moving forward, let us quickly add in a new project. So I will navigate to new and add in a new dynamic web project. I will give the name as JSTL setting up. Alright, let us keep everything as default. Let us click on next. Alright, let us also generate the web.xml file, and finally let us click on finish. Alright, so now we have this sample JSTL project. Now friends, if we traverse this web content folder, we have this web imp folder, and inside this folder we have the lib folder. So now we will copy this jar file and we will paste the jar file inside the lib folder. Here we go. And apart from that, let us also try to configure the build path real quick. And we will try to import the external jars, and the jars are inside the Tomcat 9 installation. The folder is lib, and there are these two files, servlet API and JSP API. To try to import both of these files, that would be good. And we will apply the changes and we are done. Now we can definitely make use of JSTL tags inside our existing project with the name of JSTL setting up. Alright. So in our next video, we will try to check the very basics, the introduction part of JSTL. So something interesting is coming up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.